Assalamu alaikum, this is Ramsha Rajput. I'm an investment professional at Laxer Investments. So after mixed performance in the previous few sessions, today the market has witnessed a strong bullish momentum. This is mainly due to the improved inflows. As we know कि कल SBP के reserves numbers came in and the reserves have gone up to the SBP reserves have gone up to 14.5 billion. और अगर हम total reserves की बात करें तो they have increased from 18 billion in the previous week to 20 billion now. This also indicates an improvement in the import cover of the country, which is now increased to 2.7 months. इसके अलावा जो remittances के numbers आए थे a few days back, उसके अंदर भी जो है improvement देखी गई है. Although month on month basis पे अगर हम देखें तो there was a decline, which is mainly due to Eid. But अगर हम overall देखें तो the number was still good. It was at 3.4 billion. इसके अलावा अगर हम देखें तो the automobile sales have came in and the sector has recorded significant growth in the fiscal year FY25. Apart from the tractor segment, all other vehicle categories के अंदर जो है हमें strong volumetric growth देखने में आई है. Tractor segments mainly due to the weak farm economics की वजह से the segment has remained affected. But इसके अलावा अगर हम बाकी के segments देखें, so all of the segments have recorded tremendous growth in volumes. So all in all, I think, and also this is because of mainly due to the improved macroeconomic environment in the country. इसके अलावा जो inflation reading है, that has also eased. So lower inflation rates along with a reduced policy rate and an overall improvement in the macroeconomic environment has led to the improved sales numbers for autos. और इसकी वजह से आज हमने देखा कि जो automobile sector है, it remained quite in the limelight throughout the day today. So going forward, we believe that given the improved inflows in the country as well as improved liquidity in the market is likely to continue the bullish trend going forward as well. So that's all from the market wrap today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.